Hi friends, this is Prasad Badugu. Today we are discussing about Selenium Introduction. First, we know the what is Selenium. Selenium it is a free tool. Selenium it is a open source. Open source means we can download in we can download from net without any investment or without any cost. Selenium it is a testing tool. Testing means first we know the what is testing. Testing is a combination of validation and verification. Validation and verification. For example, Java developer developing a one project. Developer accept expectation output. Developer developing the project. Developer will be developing the project. Some human mistakes is there. Normally by using Selenium tool, those mistakes are resolved. mistakes are resolved. Testing can be divided into two types. Divided into two types. First, manual testing. Next, automation testing. First, we know what is manual testing. What is manual testing? What is manual testing? With without using manual testing means without using any tool or program or any mission, directly test engineer interact with the application is called manual testing. Without using any tool or program, without using any tool or program, test directly test engineer interact with the application is called manual testing. Next, automation testing. Second one, any task or activity with the help of tool or program is called automation. In order to validate the application, is called automation testing with the help of tool or program. For example, Tool means Selenium. For example, tool means Selenium. Some advantages in automation testing. Advantages in automation testing. Nowadays, mostly preferable for automation testing. Fast execution. Fast execution. Complex to perform. Large project. Test engineers are less required. Time saving. Some disadvantages also is there. Tools are automation tools are expensive. Some cost. Some cost is there. Market. Test engineers are required, but sometimes work not there. Mostly this testing mostly this is used for build verification, verification, retesting, regression testing. Build verification, retesting and regression testing we will discuss about next concept. First, the what is testing, what is automation testing and what is manual testing. Next, we know the what is the advantages of manual testing. Advantages of manual testing. Without any tool, directly interaction with the application. Selenium, it is a tool. By using Selenium tool, we can automate the web application in any one of the application. In manual testing, without using Selenium tool, directly interact with the application to test. It is suitable for small project, less investment. Lesson. Some disadvantages also is there in manual testing. This is not suitable for large project. Time consuming means lot of time it will take to test the application. Lot of time it will take to test the any one of the application. So maximum we can prefer automation testing. Disadvantages. One major advantage is there in manual testing. Manual testing test engineer They don't have completely internal logic of an application code. Automation testing also major advantage. This is the advantage for manual testing. This is disadvantage for automation testing. You know the what is testing or not? Testing it is the combination of validation and verification. What is validation and what is verification? Each and every word I will explain. Please wait a few minutes. What is validation? Validation means when our developer, Java developer or software and .NET developer or PHP developer developing the project, next we will validate the application. Verification means Java developer are developing the project, next we will verify, the test engineer will be verify the project at this time. Developing time will be we are using verification. Developed time we are using a validation. Validation it is the process. Validation is the process of testing. Hmm. It will be, it checks it checks project will be developed or not. Next, verification. Validation it is a developing stage. Developed stage, sorry. Verification it is a developing stage. Verification it is the process of testing. It checks project will be developing or not. Developing or not, DEV or not. Another example is the testing. What is testing? The process of verifying whether the project will be acceptable to all end users or not. Testing is a process of verifying. Testing, it is a process of verifying the project will be acceptable to all end users or not. Developer developing the project, any any human mistakes is there or not there to test the test engineer. Next, some any one defect is there, the defect resolved or not. This all information will be telling about testing. Next, we have to learn about another concepts. Selenium, it is a free tool. Selenium, it is a open source. Selenium, it is a testing tool. Selenium, it supports more languages. Selenium supports more languages. Example, Selenium supports Java, .NET, Perl, Python. Java language, it will be support Selenium. .NET language also support Selenium. Python also support Selenium. Perl also support Selenium, and etc. Java, it is a object oriented programming language. .NET, it is a object oriented programming language, but Java, it is a purely object oriented programming language. .NET, it is a partially object oriented programming language. Selenium supports next more operating systems also. More operating systems. Examples, Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac, and etc. Selenium with extension of Appium. Extension extension of Appium. We can test automate mobile application. Mostly Selenium is used. Mostly Selenium is used to use it for to test the web application. Web application means which application is running on web. Which application is running on web, or which application is running on web, or two or more users at a time connecting to the one application. Example: WhatsApp, FB, Gmail, WhatsApp. At a time, two or more users is connected different places, but same application. FB also, two or more users to connect to the one application. Gmail also. Tomorrow we will discuss about Selenium components.